Hello, I'm Santjola. I graduated in computer science from Uni of BEDS last year, and I'm currently working as a junior network engineer for Switchshop. During my final year, I attended the university poster day where I had the chance to showcase my final project, and that's where I met the Switchshop team. After that, I was invited to attend the engineering open day in our offices now. I had the chance to meet the engineers that work in here, to see the company. As I mentioned previously, I studied computer science at uni, and my course was mainly focused in programming languages and just a bit of networking, and that developed more the curiosity to know how the technologies interact and connect with each other. So that was the main reason that led me to trying to explore a networking career, even though I didn't have any prior experience to it. I did work in a couple of projects at uni, and that absolutely gave me some foundational skills on how networks are created and managed. I believe that real-world experience is an essential key when it comes to the student's future. As we all know, we get presented with a lot of theoretical knowledge while we are at uni, but we don't really get a chance to actually apply this knowledge. So having the hands-on experience would give us a chance to apply all the knowledge, understand them better, and I do believe it actually makes you feel more confident when it comes to your skills. Personally speaking, I would say that coming to the Switchshop engineering day, it made it a lot easier for me to see how the transition from the student life to an actual work and job would make me feel. Because I met other engineers, I saw how they work, I saw what an engineering day-to-day life would be and what they expect from me. So the hands-on experience, I absolutely think, is one of the key parts when it comes to the students' futures. Switchshop has been incredibly supportive in my development. Since the first moment I joined Switchshop, I've been paired with more experienced engineers, and they have mentored me and given me guidance in different projects that I've been working on. I absolutely appreciate the hands-on experience that I'm getting, whether it's that configuring devices or going on site, participating in clients' meetings and everything, because it makes you feel like you actually having yourself exposed to real-world scenarios. The onboarding process with Switchshop has been really well structured from the beginning, so it allowed me to gradually get up to speed with the company's system and technologies here. I was given a clear outline of the training and the support I would receive, and I can absolutely say that I've been really well supported through the journey here. I'd like to mention that I joined Switchshop with no prior networking experience, but I've got a great support from everyone here, and that made the transition to the role very much smoother. I've had the opportunity to work in different exciting projects lately, starting from designing customers' Wi-Fi networks to configuring network infrastructures. Recently, one particular exciting project that I would like to mention was deploying an edge switch across the school network. That also included using the Aruba stacking technologies. That was a really good hands-on experience because, as I mentioned previously, we do get ongoing training in the office all the time, and that was a really great example on how we actually can apply this knowledge in a real-life environment. I have had the chance to shadow senior engineers on site as well, which I personally think is a huge help on my professional development. My advice for all the students watching this video now would be to actively seek out opportunities for hands-on experience, whether it's at an internship or attending the industry events or even just working on personal projects. I strongly believe that the more you apply the theoretical knowledge you get from uni into the real-world setting, the well prepared you will be for the transition into the actual job that you'll be doing in the future. As the University of BEDS alumnus, I'm proud to be part of Switchshop plans to help the university deliver career-powered education for current and future students.